What's up, y'all? This is Danny from Vanlife Northwest coming to you today with this 1990 Honda Acty Street. It's an HH3, which means it's a two-wheel drive model, and manual transmission, 5-speed. .660cc engine displacement, which means this is a K classification van. Very clean. I've not seen one of this age in this kind of condition. We put brand new tires on it, did an oil change, alignment, and really that's about all this thing needed. We ran it through DEQ here in Portland, which is our emissions, and it passed. So it has a clean emissions certificate, which tells me not only that it's tuned right, but that it's been maintained. Dual sliding doors. And seating for 4 total. 2 here. And 2 more up front. Really crispy brown chocolate interior, mashed with this mint green finish that I think might be my favorite combo in these fans. Low miles, 63,000 kilometers, which is about 45,000 miles. Five-speed manual. Now these seats here will fold down forward and then tuck into this compartment here, creating about what is about 6 feet of cargo space, flat cargo space, from the back of the front cab to the back door here. So this could be a little camper for you, a little sleeper. These seats will also fold back as well too, and kind of move out of the way in a different configuration so that you can access this area here. "12-inch wheels, new tires as mentioned, original hubcaps. Very clean shape and ready to roll. This van is currently for sale, so if you're interested, reach out and say hi. You can find us at vanlifenorthwest.com. Also take a second to check out our Instagram, that's Vanlife Northwest. We'll be posting photos in both places, as well as more information on specs and pricing. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Reach out, say hi. Peace, y'all.